got hot in the passing game and took care of itself.
Coach said you kind of took advantage of the fact that you got the green jersey and they can't hit you a few times.
I mean, I was running. I mean, if he wanted to make me live, he could. But I guess we got some good yardage off a couple QB runs.
How different is this spring, not just for you and your status here, but the fact that so many guys came back? And how far advanced is the offense at this point?
We're real far. We're not worried about learning the simple plays. We're trying to learn the whys to the plays, and we're trying to advance the plays and go on and just do a little bit of our own with them. And we're an experienced group, and we know what to do within the offense, and we're just trying to get better and fix it all up.
Coach talks about adjusting. Y'all had both your quarterbacks had to adjust to a different center today.
Oh yeah, I mean that's guys that come in. They did a great job today. Archie and Ben, they did a great job coming in, and it wasn't a change. I mean, at first it was a little different. The ball may have been here or there, but they got it together, and we had a good day.
Kind of compare your performance this week to last week. Do you think you were better today, or maybe something you need to work on?
I think I improved a little bit today in the passing game, definitely, and we got better as a team today. I felt like on offense, we started off slow, but we picked it up, and when we got better, we got better.
That big touchdown pass to Gus Bradley. What did you see there? I know the defense audited real quick before you snapped it, but you found Gus in the middle.
Oh yeah, they got into a little trap defense and left the middle wide open, man, one-on-one with Gus and a linebacker, and that's the advantage I talked about last week, having our tight ends on those linebackers, and Gus made the play and took it down.
Is that something you've kind of focused on this spring, making plays out of the pocket, just kind of, those decision-making?
Definitely critiquing my passing game, getting my feet, like I said, getting my feet to go with my hands and eyes, and just becoming a better passer and knowledge of the game.
This year, you not only have different receivers, you have different types of receivers, all sorts of guys to work with in the passing game.
Exactly, and that makes it fun. I mean, we got the speedy guys, we got the big guys, we got the tight ends, and they all can make plays in any different way. So it's exciting to get the ball in the hands and see what they can do.
Sorry if Jordan asked this, but how did you work on the second step with Dylan being out?
Like I said, we kind of did a little bit of practice this past Thursday, so it wasn't anything exactly new, but they did a good job coming in and filling in.
It seemed like there was more emphasis on the rush from you specifically today. Is that true? And how do you kind of handle that since they can't really tackle you?
I think it was more of like a read. They were giving me the right reach to pull the ball, and if they could have tackled me, and there was no difference, I guess. It just tapped me off where I would have been down, but we hit it a couple of times. We got the reach we wanted to after spreading out the passing game.